in this heat.
So hot, and we're not even in summer yet. You think about the heat that we have right now, we're not even in summer.
Yeah, we still have 2 weeks to go, but we've had over 100 easily already several days, and we have more to come, unfortunately, this weekend. Yeah, we got more. We've got some rain coming, too, so a little relief, but we got to get through a few days first. Take a look and see what we've got going on right now. We've got some very hot temperatures, or very warm temperatures, rather. 85 for both the San Antonio Airport and Stinson, and we have the humidity, too. Get to that in a second. Mostly clear skies to go along with that. We had quite windy conditions earlier tonight. It's calmed down quite a bit. Southeast is 17, so still very breezy, but they were well into the 20-mile-per-hour range earlier tonight. Dew points at 71. That's that measure of moisture in the atmosphere. That gives us a humidity of 63%, and you definitely feel it as you step outside. It felt drier by the late afternoon or early evening. Now it's starting to feel a little bit sticky out there. 83 in Seguin, also 83 in Gonzales, 82 Beeville, 83 in Kennedy, Pleasanton at 84. Still some low 90s, 90 Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass 91, Del Rio at 92, and the Hill Country in the low 80s. 81 in Kerrville, 81 Fredericksburg, Rock Springs 82, Junction 83, Pearsall and Cotulla in the upper 80s. 89 apiece. Usually it's the hottest locations. Here is the radar. This is not actual rain. This is the radar likely in clear air mode. The National Weather Service likely put it on that because there's no rainfall. It's looking for the smallest particles in the air. It happens to come up as that right there. But where there is rain, once again, in Lubbock and that area, seeing more severe thunderstorms over towards the Jayton area. So up to the north and west, that's where all the activity is. We're not getting it here because the dry line is in West Texas. Here's that humidity forecast. Once again, that moisture in the atmosphere, it's going to be in the upper 60s or low 70s all the way through most of next week. You can see a little dip here Wednesday into Thursday, and that's behind the cold front that's giving us a chance for some strong storms Tuesday into early Wednesday. But it's not going to drop the humidity a whole lot, so we'll stay very humid, very sticky, very muggy in the mornings all the way through most of next week as the heat sticks around as well. Not quite as bad, though. We'll get to that in a bit. Here's the drought report again. It's out every Thursday. It includes information gathered up until Tuesday, and we did have exceptional drought conditions from San Antonio all the way back towards the Rio Grande, but this little spot in the middle and western areas of the Hill Country have been downgraded to an extreme drought. Still very bad, but not as bad as exceptional. We'll take that any little bit we can to help the drought situation. Definitely a necessary thing. So much of our area is still extreme to exceptional. Southern counties in severe, which is still very bad. So we need some improvement. We need more rain. It's going to come, but not a whole lot of it anytime soon. You can see that blow up of storms. That's the dry line I was talking about. That's why they're seeing it in the Panhandle and most of West Texas. Behind it, you have the drier air. Out ahead of it where we are, we have more of that moisture right in between where the air masses meet up. That's where the storms fire up, but nowhere near us. We could use it a little further off to the east. Here's the futurecast. We'll step you through it hour by hour. We'll start you out at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So if you're getting up early in the morning tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies, very humid, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Heading through the day, we'll tap into more sunshine in the afternoon. That'll lead to more heat. Most of us in the upper 90s for daytime highs, low 100s in our southwest counties, though. And we'll hit the repeat button once again on Sunday. You did see some rain try to make its way into our western counties. Might happen Sunday morning. I'm thinking most of us staying dry, though. Partly cloudy skies in the morning Sunday, and then we'll lead to more sunshine in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 90s and low 100s Sunday. That'll lead to a weather impact alert day. So overnight tonight, partly cloudy skies will drop down to 77 degrees. Southeast winds at 5 to 15. Tomorrow, starting out in the 70s, 89 by noon and 98 that daytime high. Mostly sunny skies as well. 7-day forecast for the 14-day rather. You see 4 weather impact alert days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. For Sunday and Monday, it's for the heat with highs around 100. The heat index around 105. Tuesday and Wednesday, the chance for strong storms. At least we get our highs back to the low 90s. And we'll stay in the 90s for the rest of the forecast and dry things out as we head towards the middle of the month of June.